Hello everyone, welcome to Amin Maths Club. Today we have an radical equation which is x square root of x plus x square root is equal to 10. So we have to find the value of x. So first of all, we are going to just consider that, let us consider that x square root is equal to, let us say it is equal to m. So we are going to simplify this. So we are going to put x square root is equal to m in this problem. So we get, first of all, we are just taking square root at both sides. Then we get that it is x square root whole square, which is equal to m square. So cancelling square with square root, then we get x is equal to m square. So putting these two values, that value of x square root and value of x in this problem, this equation, then we get that this equation is x, I'm just recalling equation, plus x square root is equal to 10. So now we are going to put the value of x and x square root. So here x is equal to m square, it is m square, and x square root is equal to m, so times m plus x square root is equal to m is equal to 10. So now we can see that here bases are same, so power will be added. Then we get m2 plus 1 is m cube, so plus m, we can shift my 10 here at left hand side, then we get minus 10, which is equal to 0. So now we can write it 10 as m cube plus m minus, let's say we can write it like 8 plus 2, and 8 plus 2 is also equal to 10. So m cube plus m minus 8 and plus minus minus 2, which is equal to 0. So now we can also write like this, that m cube, here it is minus 8 and plus m, and it's minus 2, is equal to 0. Now we can see that it is actually m cube, and it is 2 of cube. 2 of cube is also equal to 8. So plus m minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now we know that by the algebraic formula, that if we have a cube minus b cube, then we can write it like this, a minus b times a square. If here it is minus, then we put it here with product, a times b plus b square. So now we are going to use this formula in this equation. Then we get, here it is m cube, so we can write it m minus 2 times m square is m square, and here product of m and 2 is, as you know, they're putting plus sign, so it is 2m, and it will be 2 square is equal to plus 4. So now plus, and it is m minus 2, we can write it like m minus 2, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Now we can see that m minus 2 and m minus 2 is common, so we are going to take common that m minus 2 is common. Then we get m square plus 2m plus 4, here it is 1, is equal to 0. So we can write it like this, m minus 2, here m square plus 2m plus 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 is equal to 0. Now as we know that m minus 2 is also equal to 0, and here m square plus 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. So from first one, here m is equal to 2, so its value of m is equal to 2, and m square plus 2m plus 5 can be solved by quadratic formula. So we are going to write now here as recalling the value of m, as we know that m is x square root, which is equal to 2. So taking square at both sides, then we get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4. It's a real number. It's a real solution. So now we can find out other one, that m square plus 2m plus 5. As we know that here m square plus 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we are going to use quadratic formula. So for this purpose, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 5. So putting the formula, then we get m is equal to, that here it is minus b. So it can be written as 2 plus minus, here b square is 2, so 2 square is actually, it is equal to 4, and minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 5, whole divided by 2 times a is 1. So now m is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4, and then I know that 5 4s is 20, so square root whole divided by 2, 1 is 2. Now we can see that m is equal to minus 2 plus minus 24 is minus 16, and we can write minus 16, as we know that here that minus sign is going to just minus 1, which is equal to here minus 1, that is value of iota. So iota square and its square root is actually equal to iota. So we are going to put here 2. So m is equal to minus 2. 16 is square root of 16 is 4. So plus minus, that it is 4, and then iota, which is minus 1. So divided by 2. So now we are going to write it like m is equal to, so taking common, which is 2, then we get minus 1 plus minus 2i divided by 2, then cancelling 2 with 2, then we get m is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2i. So it is the value of m, and now we are going to recall the value of m is actually putting x square root, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2i. So here we can see that we have to find the value of x. So taking square root at both sides, then it will be cancelled. Then x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2i whole square. So it is actually complex solution. It's a complex number, not real, but it's a complex number. So it's actually complex solution. So we have only one solution which is real, that is x. As you can see that it is the value of x. So now if we are going to check our answer, we can put this value in our question. Here we can see that our question is that x square root plus x square root, which is equal to 10. So now putting x is equal to 4. So when we put x equal to 4, then it will be 4, and it's 4 square root, and again square root of 4, which is equal to 10. As we can see that 4 square root of 4 is equal to 2, and again it's also equal to 2. So equal to 10. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Hence it is the value of x is equal to 4 is correct value. So it is our result, it's our final result, and both sides are equal. So we have just find out our result, as here the value of x is 4, which is our required result. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.